Are you looking for the best impact wrenches in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best impact wrenches that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DeWalt 20V Max XR half-inch impact wrench. We could tell the DeWalt 20V Max XR was a beast when we picked it up. High torque impact wrenches tend to weigh more because they have beefier components required to handle the forces involved in transferring all that torque. This is no exception, weighing 7.2 pounds with one of the two big 5Ah batteries clipped to the bottom, the heaviest impact wrench in the test. The weight does give the impression it's well built and can take some abuse though. Removing the lug nuts on the F250 Super Duty was seemingly effortless, the Max XR breaking them free in a fraction of a second. We tried it in all 3 speed settings, with the highest removing them the fastest. We had to get a feel for when to back off the trigger and let the tool's momentum spin the nut off. Do it too late and the nut could run off the stud at high RPM and fly out of the socket. Working on the rusty farm implement felt like a perfect job for the Max XR. The rusted nuts and bolts were no match for it. The only issue was being able to reach a couple of them because of the size of the wrench. DeWalt's high-torque impact wrench would be a natural fit for auto, truck, or tractor repair out in the field or on the roadside. Up next in the 4th place is the Metabo HPT 36V half-inch impact wrench. Metabo HPT's 36V uses the brand's multi-volt power system, allowing you to plug in with an AC adapter or use a 36-volt lithium-ion battery. The best of both worlds. The tool has some heft and is on the heavier end of the wrenches we've tested. This is reasonable, considering this is a professional level tool suited to industrial application. In our testing, it accomplished everything we asked of it without hesitation. Lug nuts on our F250 Super Duty pickup broke loose almost instantly, and then spun off easily using the highest of the 3-speed setting. Rusty nuts and bolts on our farm equipment took a second or two of impacting to break loose. We like that the tool is rated IP56, which means it's protected from dust and water getting in. So a little rain during emergency repair on a roadside or job site isn't going to hurt it. Metabo HPT's 36V is a capable, versatile tool, suitable for most industrial or farm maintenance, commercial construction, or other applications that might be considered heavy-duty in nature. This comes as a bare tool only. The battery and charger, as well as the AC adapter, are sold separately. The 3rd product on our list is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 3/8" impact wrench. While our test is geared more towards half-inch tools, Milwaukee's M18 Fuel 3/8" mid-torque wrench never skipped a beat. We used a 1/2 to 3 divided by 8 inches adapter to remove and replace the lug nuts on our F250 Super Duty pickup, a job it easily completed. We were also able to break free large, rusty nuts on our old farm implement. This impact wrench has 4 mode settings. The first 3 step up both RPM and IPM, with the 3rd hitting max on both. The 4th mode, drive control, is the one we really like, though. When driving, it limits torque to 35 feet-pounds, so there is no risk of over-tightening fasteners. When removing a fastener, it starts off at full torque, then backs off the RPM when the fastener has broken loose, preventing spinning off at full speed and sending the fastener pinwheeling away. The compact body and 3 LEDs on the face of the tool make it a good option in tight, dark spaces. This is a professional-grade tool, designed to stand up to daily use, but also an option for homeowners with frequent projects. We've turned to this tool several times since testing, as its size and torque are useful for a wide range of jobs. Second on our list is the Bosch Freak 18V half-inch impact wrench. The Bosch Freak is half-impact driver, half-impact wrench. Through the middle of the square, half-inch impact drive is a 1/4 inch, quick-change hex shank holder. Use it with impact sockets or hex driver bits. With 3 RPM settings, it makes quite a versatile tool, good for a wide variety of fastening and mechanical jobs. On paper, the Freak appears to be lacking with only 150 feet-pounds of torque, but it produces more than 4,200 impacts per minute, the highest number in this test at up to 400 revolutions per minute. The upside of this is that it easily removed 13/16 of an inch's lug nuts on our F250 but could still drive deck screws, a considerably more delicate operation. It also had no trouble with rusted bolts on the old cultivator we brought in for the test. The high RPM IPM actually makes for quieter operation with less vibration. With the impacts closer together, it feels smoother. And the ability to switch between sockets and hex driver bits makes the Bosch Freak good for work where there's a wide range of hardware, like switching from lag bolts to deck screws. One last thing worth noting is that Bosch offers an optional connectivity tool module that enables customized tool settings via Bluetooth and a connected app. Finally, the top product on our list is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Half-Inch Impact Wrench. Models like this Milwaukee are the heavy hitters when it comes to impact wrenches. They're bigger, heavier, and torqueier. All that torque requires a lot of power, so the M18 comes with two big 5Ah batteries. Removing lugs nuts on our F250 Super Duty was no challenge for this impact wrench. It barely hesitated breaking them loose. Judging by the amount of battery charge consumed in our test, a full day of changing tires should be possible with the two batteries. 4 modes, 3 different speeds, and bolt removal mode means it's easy to set the speed, torque for the job. And that bolt removal mode is a pleasure to use. It backs off the speed and torque once a nut or bolt breaks loose so that it doesn't run off the end and go flying. When it came to the rusty old bolts on the farm equipment, the M18 broke them free without much effort, and using the bolt removal mode also helped prevent damage, spinning the nuts off over rusted threads. The M18 impact wrench is an effective tool for seriously big jobs like heavy equipment repair, industrial maintenance and repair applications, or any other task with big, tough nuts and bolts. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.